Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. This is the Subscriber Sunday video where subscribers send in photos of things in their yard that they're proud of. This video contains all the photos that I received during the month of August, and so this being the first Sunday in September, this is when they go up. You can send photos for this video to this email address right here. Just label them subscriber photos, something like that. And if you will turn your phone sideways, YouTube is a widescreen format, and your photos definitely look better if they are shot that way. I had a lot of photos this month. This is the record by far and away. I think there's about 10.5 minutes of photos, and a lot of them are great. Thanks everybody for participating in this video every month, and the next one will be the first Sunday in October. I will just collect all the photos that are sent to me during the month of September. This past week, I think you've seen the big mulching video that I had in the middle of the week, and then I've shot a couple videos on the shrubs that are in the backyard, and 2 videos so far. Tomorrow, Monday, I'll show the front yard shrubs, and then I'm going to shoot a video on the perennials and the annuals and so on and so forth, and just covering everything that I've done in this landscape during 2020. So again, thanks for participating in the Subscriber Sunday video. Here are the photos that were sent during the month of August. Thanks for watching.